Here's my little mates. These are the little lizards I've been training as to be man-eaters. Here they come. John's going to be sitting in his chair one day and he's going to be reading his book out in the sun, and unbeknown to him, I've been training him to bite toes, in some cases even draw blood. Come on, little fellas, some nice juicy toes here for you. So basically I've been conditioning them. Every time they bite the toe they get a little snack, a little treat. Just got to get them a little bit closer. There's the man-eater, and there's his tucker. Ooh, he's going to run up my leg. Come on. You like that, don't you? There you go. What I'll do is I'll go and sit in John's chair where he sits out here and reads a book. Let's see if they'll follow me. Oh, here he comes. Oh yeah, he likes to have a bit of a nip, this one. So John will sit out here reading his book. Little man-eating lizard will come along. They're like little alligators, these things. They'll bite his toes. Little does he know they're conditioned. Every time they bite a toe, the harder they bite, the more they get. Come on, you know what to do. Bite the toe. I'm going to get a foot massage. These little lizards, they're like little alligators. I've been training them to bite my toes, and every time they bite my toes I give them something to eat. So when John comes out here to read his book, ow, okay. There you go. Yeah, okay. Here's your reward. Here's number 2. Have a bite. This is the hungry one, turning them into man-eaters. Ah! Oh, alright, there you go. There's your reward. There you go. Ouch. There you go, there's your reward. There's a little bit of blood on that toe, thanks to you. Come on, give it a good nip. Just don't seek John out when he's sleeping.